Hello friends, here is a full guide on how to use Multimentality's article kit page. This title will appear as the main title of your web page like this. Here, Memology, the truth, Multimentality. I have given this title so it appears in the top of the Google search. So this is the title you are asked to give in this. So let's give this Multimentality. You are asked to give the description of your web page. So in this this description will appear as the text you will see here. So like this will be of whenever a user search for your website, the relative text like the description will appear. So let's give the description. I'm using this for reference, so you can put anything, any description, but the character limit is 250. So next you are asked to give the main title of your article. This main title of your article is refers to the topic of your article. For example, here, so this is the main title of our article. So Memology, the truth. So I have given the main title as this. You can give anything. So now I will give how to make article. This is for reference. You can use any title. Next, you are asked to give the author's name. Author's name refers to the name. You can give it any name, your company name, business name, anything. So let's put Multimentality. This author's name is seen here. This is the author's name and will be displayed in every page, and it is compulsory to give. So our main body is finished. This is the main part. So let's click done. Title and description is over. Now the main sections begin. For example, in our article, this is introduction. These are the paragraphs. I put a few images, types of memes like this. It's a full article. You might know how to make articles, like we use different titles, text, etc. So here the title of your first paragraph refers to the title like this. So first paragraph title you have to give here. So let's give how to make article first step. Yes. So this is the first title I am going to give, and here starts the main part. This is the description. This description refers to the whole part. This whole paragraph is like a description. So if you wanna give description, the user tend to like the description which has like bold text, italic text. Whenever a text is important, you put bold, like links and different paragraphs, underline text, etc. So here you are provided with different sections, like this is bold, this is bold, this is italic, this is underline, this is strike text, and this is new line, this is link, and this is info. So you can use different types of methods, like usually you write articles to make it more even descriptive and make it more simple to users. So if you want information about this, click on this info and you will get many information, but make sure to read this, like it is case sensitive, so you cannot use these symbols inside your paragraph. Instead you use alternatives and these symbols. Click on these symbols and you will copy each. So let's begin. Like I want to start, my title is how to make article first step. See, you will copy all the symbols here and you can paste it anywhere. So first I will start. I will explain each one of the elements, how to use it. So let's start. My title is how to make article first step. So So making article is easy. So easy, I want to make it bold because um, it is a text that I want to give strength to. So let's put bold. Like if you use two stars and the and the text between the two stars will become bold. So let's put easy. So it will become bold in the output, but it is not shown here. So if you only put star and if you put star here and write some text and put another star here, and if you don't want the text between these two become bold, it will become bold. So instead, if you want to make stars, if you don't want to use this bold method, but even if you want to make stars, put star, you can use 4. This is the code for the symbol star. So 4. This is the code for the symbol star. Yeah. So like this, it will not become bold, but instead you will use the star symbol. So it is very easy, and make sure you use all these symbols, text, alternatives to put the symbol instead of using the normal symbols. So let's continue with our text. So you can use multi-mentality article kit. I want to make it italics. I'm bold and as well as italics. So I will put bold and then insert italics. This underlines, 2 underlines between what text will come, it will become italics. So multi article kit. There you go. Now this will become bold as well as italics. So you can use any combination, bold, italics, underline, strike, all in once you can use. Yes. So next we move on to underline. So we have to, so it is one paragraph. So I want to give a new line. So I will put this. Instead, if you use only enter, here in the text you will see a new line, but in the output it will not become a new line. So if you want to make a new line, then you have to insert this, insert new line. This text will create a new line. So anything after this will become into the second paragraph. So like this, you start a new paragraph, and I want to write here article template is available. So available, I want to make it underline, so I will use this, and text between this equals become underline. Yes. So it's finished, and I will put another new line, and I will put that it is not difficult. It is I want to make a difficult. I want to strike it because making articles is easy. So I have to show that to the user. So I will write making article article is difficult. I want to strike. So I will write difficult. This will become strike, and I will use bold and put easy. So difficult is quoted and easy is become bold. So like this you can use, and I will put another new line, and I want to give a link which will redirect the user to a specific link that we will give, but it will be a text. Like I will insert this new link. You will be provided with these symbols. So between these two paragraphs, you have to write the text, which will be shown as a text, but it will not become the link. Like multi-mentality. art, article kit. So this text will be shown as a link, but which link we have to redirect into, we have to after a user click the text multi-mentalities article kit, they will be redirected to this link, and this link this link they will be redirected to, and it is used, and this can be used to make it more accessible to the users. So if your description is finished, click on the save. If you want to add new section, add new section and continue the same process, and click on the save. But here I don't want any new section, so I will leave it empty and click on the done. So now I want to insert a new image, and new image will be inserted automatically and the style will be given, but you have to enter the link of the image here. Image link refers to the link of the file or the link from the browser, like external links. You can use here provided you can use post images to get the direct link, which I will show you now. Make sure you do this in another tab because your data might be erased in the our this. So we click on choose images and click on the files, and we'll use this image, and it is shown completed. I will copy the direct link from here, and this link will be copied. So I will move back, and from here, oh, this is gone. See, like I told, if you directly move from here, your data will be erased. So make sure you do this in another tab. So let's for reference use something, any text you can use. Sorry, I am using different text and a link. Yes. Now I will add a new image and I will paste the link. This was the link we copied there, and I will paste this here, and this will be shown in the, and this will be shown as an image. Then click save. In the image you can enter the file name too, but after you download the files you have to put the image in the same folder where you put the files. So let's click done. We can add a new button here, like this button text will be the text that will be shown upon the button. Like see, this button has the text assign function, so like this button text will work. So I will give buttons text something copy, and here I will put as I can assign a function. I can put assign a function do nothing, then it will become a button and will do nothing. You can make user copy a text. This here you can put any text, it will be copied to the user clipboard, like this is a copy link. Say, like you can add another one button with the other function which will be redirect user to other file. Redirect as an function redirect to a link. You can enter any link here where you want to redirect the user to, and click on the save. These two functions can be assigned to the buttons, and here image section, and you can add any section in between as you wish. So after you have completed writing all your article, you can click on the body finished, and your main body is now finished. And these are the options you are given that you have to choose before getting the link. Include overall border. This border refers to the here you might see that in the ending this is having a border, and this include overall border refers to this. If you make it off, the border will be gone, but if you make it yes, border will remain. And make content all full width. It is not recommended because here you might see a gap between the contents, but this gap will be removed, which will make the website pretty much look very bad. So it is not recommended. And include border shadow, and this you might be able to see that there is a shadow between each text, see, like this. And this shadow you might include, not include, it's your wish. So I'll just put it include now. And multi-mentality watermark you have to remove, means you need to purchase our premium version. So custom footer refers to the text here. This is the footer, and the text here refers to the footer text. So you can enter any text you want. For now, multi-mentality article. So for now I am using any reference, so you can put any text. If you custom footer, if you turn off custom footer, then you will not it will show the default text. It will be the multi-mentality slogan. So multi-mentality text. So if you want, then you can use custom footer. Dark mode, light mode switch, it refers to the switch you see in the first. See this switch here, clicking dark mode, and from here we can access light mode, like this. This dark mode, light mode switch, if you want, you can include in your project, in your article. And back to top button refers to this button, and this button, on clicking, it will take you to the top of the page, like this. This button, if you want to include, then you can click on yes. If no, you click on no. And include loading animation. Loading animation refers to the in the beginning, while the website is loading, it refers to the loading animation. Like in our main page, see, this is the loading animation, and after page is loaded, it will be gone. And so this animation, if you want in your website, you can include loading animation. If no, you click no. Then after everything is finished, you click finish, and you can request preview or directly download files, but I will now request preview to show how it will look like. And in the request preview, you might see that rolling animation is occurred. So it is not a complete web page, so it has many glitches. This has many glitches. So here while requesting preview, don't you put include animation to no, because it is not a complete web page and has a glitch that it will load forever and it will not show the page. But when you download the files, you can during that you can include animation, yes. So for now, click it, let's finish. Now you can request preview. See, now article is shown. This article is fully responsive for all web pages, all devices. So if you use computer, mobile, it will be fit correctly into all of these devices, so you don't have to worry about anything. So here, how to make article was the main title. I give multi-mentality author. See, the text here become bold, this became italics, this became italics, this became strike test, this also to strike, this is underline, and this is a link, and this has sent me to the image that we have copied. So like this, you can request preview, and I put an image and it will be correctly fitted of any size, but make sure it's 100 into 100 images and more. And here I have given 2 buttons, and these 2 buttons do different functions, like copy text. if I click copy, then see, wait for, see this text is copied. This is a copy link. That was the text I entered there, and it is copied. And redirect will click you to the image. I given this image link, so it has redirect made to there. And here is the second title and second description. Like this you can do. And this is the footer text, and this is the back to top button, and this is dark mode, light mode switch. So so you can do any of this, you can do all of this. It is pretty easy, but I make the video long to explain you every bit of the code or every bit of the function it has held. So you can make articles pretty quickly. You need to have the idea of the title, idea of the description, and descriptiveness of writing bold, italics, and using every font you might like. So that's it. And after clicking preview, if you like the text, it is not like this, it is just a reference. Don't rely on this, because the original page will look like this. Original page will look similar to this, but with your text, what you enter, that way it will look. It is just a reference, and don't rely on this. Everything is gone, leave it. So after everything is finished, you do a request preview. I want a request preview, and so now I didn't enter anything, so it's showing like this, and leave it. But after you do everything is finished, request preview, if you want to include, now you click on the include loading animation, else leave it as it is. Now I want to include loading animation, I click on finish, and now everything is finished. Now click on download files, and index.html, article style.css, article.js. These are the 3 files you will download. You can click directly here to download, and few browser doesn't allow many downloads at a time for a website. So instead, if you want separately, you can click from here. So now I will click download. See, I am getting an error that this website is trying to download multiple files. If I click allow, there's an error in the Chrome browser. So I will click cancel, and index.html is downloading, so I'll click it download. And now those files, article.js and all, is not downloaded, so I will click here to download it manually. See, I clicked here, it's supposed to start downloading. There might be a glitch here, so leave it. If you want to download this separately, at the last you can download them. Article.js and article.css are completely same, and if you download how many times, those files will be same. So index.html is the main file, and after every edit you do in the article, it only the index.html is changed. Other than this, article.js, article.style.css doesn't get affected. So you might download it once, and again you can download only index.html. So I have already downloaded these 2 files, so it is not coming to download. So let's leave it, and you can download this separately here, or else click on the download at once. And so that's it, and I hope you like the video and our project. We have worked so hard on this, so make sure to support us. Visit our homepage. Visit our homepage and see our channel. We create awesome content. We also create awesome content in our channel. If you like, you can click here to subscribe to our channel. see this. If you have any queries, make sure to contact us in email, Instagram and Facebook, and also read our article, which our first ever article that we have created. And also make sure also you can try our new game that we have created, which is a rock paper scissors game. It is very fun to play, and you can play it whenever you want to make decisions and all. That's it. Thanks for watching.